assemble Rimdin 280L, please watch this video. Product case and product accessories box and battery. The above is the accessories listed in the accessories box. Please make sure all accessories are completed before installation. Note, there are some. Let's see how to install it first. First, install the epoxy board in the box. Install the 4 wheels with screws. 16 cells are required. The battery cells need to be covered with foam, 8 of which are double-sided foam, 2 are single-sided foam, and 6 are not covered with foam. Install the battery according to the corresponding position in the picture. Install the battery according to the corresponding position in the picture. Install the aluminum bar and connect the PCB board to the battery pack. Installing the active equalizer. The top cover is installed with screen, light board, communication interface, circuit breaker, and positive and negative electrodes. Install the MS, fuses, and aluminum bus bars. Install the wiring harness in sequence. Note, for air switch, there will be a rebound effect when the button is pressed, but for battery switch, there will be no rebound after the button is pressed. Connection between BMS and battery cells. After installation, check the voltage. Turn on balance.